everybody that has ever worked here and everybody that's ever come here and paddled here and maybe just put on one of our dry suits and been given a paddle and yelled at from the back of the raft. I think every single person that's ever been down the East River has walked away thinking that that was so much fun.
That's brilliant.
Don't stay around him, he's a very dangerous man. So, how was your day? Did you do any job today?
A little bit more than normal. But these guys, they all like fish, they like swimming. Next time we must bring a net to the river, not a rope.